This is Stout Grove Redwoods Trail. Look at that giant. It's hard to get the right perspective. Yeah, that's a pretty good natural landscape. Try to get perspective of how big these things are.
These things, I start eating them. But these are weird. I thought they were stale or something.
Yeah.
They're so crunchy.
Oh my god.
Oh, goody.
This is like. I'm like trying to hug it, but like it's too big. I need to take a picture of Henry's best friend. Come on, Ar.
The bench with the flag. We could have a bench. It's got a little loop trail.
Doing a jig on top of the ankle.
Good deal.
Yeah.
So I read that there used to be fences along these trails, and there used to also be signs showing the tree height and I guess the tree names. And they removed all that to make it a little more natural trail, which I think is really neat.
Oh, I took a fan of it. I gotcha.
So it didn't goof up. The pose is so cute.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Oh, hi.
It's about noon here, a little after maybe, but I guess the lighting's supposed to be really good around between like 3 and 4 in the afternoon, just because of the angle shooting through the trees. Wow. Heading down to the Smith River now. This opens up right down into it. in Northern California. They build this bridge in the summertime, get across. They take it down, obviously, in the winter, and it get washed away. This gives you another access to the redwoods, which are right there.